Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to turn on Android Hotspot. To turn on Android Hotspot, we have two best methods. Method 1 is from Quick Settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the hotspot or mobile hotspot icon. It may look like a Wi-Fi signal or the dot underneath. Tap the icon to turn on the hotspot. Customize if needed. Press and hold the hotspot icon to access settings where you can rename your network or set a password. Last method, from the settings. Go to your phone settings menu, choose hotspot and connections, network and internet, or wireless or networks depending on your device. Tap mobile hotspot and tethering, hotspot or personal hotspot. Now, enable the hotspot. Toggle on the mobile hotspot option. Configure network name, password, and security settings if needed. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.